Welcome Stats Busters to question 5. Now this one's testing your knowledge of factors. Now it says tick the numbers that are common factors of both 12 and 18. Now the easiest way to do this is to list the factors of 12. Well, to make 12, remember factors are pairs of numbers that times together to make the 12. So pairs of numbers that times together to make 12, we could have 1 times 12, we could have 2 times 6, and we could have 3 times 4. Now for 18, the list will be slightly different. So for 18, we could have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. And that's it. Now because we're looking for common factors, we're basically looking for any factors which are in both lists. Okay, so 1 is in both lists, so 1 is a common factor, but 1 isn't one of my options, so I can't tick 1 anyway because it's simply not there. 2 is in both lists, there it is, so I can tick 2. 3 is in both lists, so I can tick 3. 6 is actually in both lists as well, so I can tick 6. Now 9 is a factor of 18, but it is not a factor of 12, so it's not a common factor. And 12 is a factor of 12, but it's not a factor of 18, so that's not a common factor either. So basically the only ones I can tick are those 3. 2, 3 and 6 are all common factors of both 12 and 18.